freedom of speech and freedom of living in your own world.
How you are as a person, how you are in your private space, what you choose to be, how you choose to dress, everything.
Whatever that's private to me and I don't want other people to know, it should remain private. So that is the broad meaning of privacy.
I can't define it.
Privacy of ideas, privacy of your views, privacy of your physical presence somewhere.
Being independent and not being surrounded by people who interfere and point out things which are not so important.
आधार तो एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो सीधा सीधा प्राइवेसी पे अटैक होता है।
I don't think it's a breach of privacy anyway. It's something that is making us more secure.
Aadhaar is not actually hampering our privacy. It is better for the growth of the country, I suppose.
Aadhaar is one thing which is for your own benefit. जो हमारे benefit के लिए है, तो basically Aadhaar is it is asset to us. I believe in that. तो Aadhaar से बहुत चीज़ें relate हो रही हैं and all are good for our government and all are good for our own future.
अगर कल को गवर्नमेंट एक्यूज बनाना चाहता है हमको किसी केस में तो उनके पास हमारे फिंगरप्रिंट्स हैं, रेटिना स्कैन है, वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
Actually, it is the one key. Like it is the key for everything. We don't need other cards or other. So it is just a one ID card which we can take. So I feel that Aadhaar is the perfect decision according to me which the government has taken.
The basic thing is that somebody has voter ID card, somebody has Aadhaar card, and somebody has passport as their identity. But there should be a one common document that everyone should have.
See, there is a good way of doing things, there is a bad way of doing things. If it's done in a right way, then there is nothing bad about Aadhaar card.
For Tinder, I think it'll be fine because you can track someone down who's stalking you or something.
That of course is not mandatory because Aadhaar photos are really bad.
No, not at all, please.
I guess it's not practical as well. So nobody is going to ask you for your Aadhaar card when you are going to buy condoms or medicines or whatever.
That would be a little awkward situation. At least not at all.
That will not be good because I won't be carrying an Aadhaar card all the time. So in the need of emergency. So it's not. All these hypothetical situations are very bad actually. Your situations are very bad. Hypothetical.
मेरे हिसाब से तो हमें ये सब चीज़ सोचने की ज़रूरत है कि इंडिया जैसे देश में 50% से ज़्यादा तो लोग तो गरीबी रेखा से नीचे आते हैं और इस देश में जहाँ रोटी कपड़ा और मकान जैसी बुनियादी चीज़ें हैं उन पे हम लोगों को ध्यान देना चाहिए तो हम प्राइवेसी जैसी चीज़ के ऊपर अपना ध्यान लगा करके बेकार की बातें करते हैं।
I think it's an excellent decision, यार. It's an excellent ruling by the government of India. And without privacy, what are we? In fact, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी हमें राइट दिया गया है टू लिव अ डिग्निफाइड लाइफ एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड आई थिंक ये रूलिंग जो है ये डिफाइन करता है इंडियन सिटीजन और गवर्नमेंट के बीच में जो रिलेशन है एज वी आर स्टेपिंग इनटू द डिजिटल एरा।